Hello everyone, it's Nini and welcome back to my channel. So I just finished washing my hair with the Texture ID shampoo and conditioner, and I deep conditioned my hair with the Intensive Hydration Deep Conditioner from Shea Moisture. And I'm super excited about today's video because I will be styling my hair with some new products. I went to Target for some groceries and I ended up going to the hair care line, and I picked up a few things that I'm interested in about using to style my curly hair routine. So let's get started. So this is what my hair looks like with no products in it. You can see my curls coming through from the products that I use, but we're gonna get this hair styled. So you guys know I like to section my hair into 4 sections, and there will never be a video without me sectioning my hair. So these are my 4 sections, and we're going to start off with the back section here. Now, like I said, because of the products I used to wash my hair was super soft and moisturized, and you can kind of see my curls coming through a little bit, but we're going to define them. So I have warm water in this spray bottle, and I'm just going to spray this all the way into my hair to get my hair soaking wet. Alright, so the first product today is the Daily Hydration Leave-In Treatment from Shea Moisture. It's from the same coconut virgin line that I got when I pre-pooed my hair with the oil. But guys, as I was spraying this into my hair, like, it just didn't feel moisturizing as I thought it would be. And you can see me making faces because, like, it wasn't doing anything to my hair. Like, it kind of felt like I was putting water in my hair. And it says that it's a conditioning leave-in treatment. It's supposed to leave your hair soft and hydrated, but I wasn't feeling that at all. Like, I don't know, maybe I didn't put enough, so I decided to spray just a little bit more into my hair, but it just, I don't know, like, it was clumping my curls, but it just wasn't providing the moisture that I needed in my hair. So you guys know I follow the LOC+S method, and O stands for oil, and here I'm just using the Allocate Naturals hair growth oil to seal in the little bit of moisture I was getting from the leave-in treatment. My curls look a little bit better. So here I'm using the Melanin Hair Care Twist Elongating Style Cream. I love this cream so much, and I can't have a curly hair routine without this product. Like, it just rejuvenates my hair, and it provided the much needed moisture I needed that I wasn't getting from the leave-in treatment. Here guys, my hair was feeling really hydrated, my curls were really clumping together, it was shiny, and it just felt really moisturized. So I'm just going to incorporate those products into all 3 sections. Now, I will say the leave-in has no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oils, no propylene glycol, and no phthalates. So I just wanted to let you guys know that if you were interested in this product. So all of the products have been marinating into my hair, and this is what the back section looks like. My hair felt really good, and I don't think it's because of the leave-in treatment. I do think it's because of the oil and the Melanin Hair Care Styling Cream. But this is what my curls look like, and like I stated before, my hair felt really soft, moisturized, and my curls were coming through. Alright, so the next product I have is Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. And guys, I wanted to try this because I've never used any of their products before. It says that they're free of mineral oils, paraben, synthetic dyes, sulfates, and phthalates. And I wanted to try this because it kind of have the same sticky consistency as the Kinky Curly curling custard that I love so much. And it felt really slimy and thin. And as soon as I put it into my hair, guys, like, it provided so much slip. My fingers were just raking through it with ease. it felt so, it wasn't sticky, but it just, I don't know, it made my hair feel really, really good. And you can see my curls are beginning to clump immediately. So here you're just going to see me rake the product and mash the product into my hair. Like, look at how defined and shiny those curls look. So I want to also state that this curl stimulator states that it's fortified with aloe vera, horsetail, and nettle extract to strengthen hair, stimulate growth, and provide shine. It also includes marshmallow extract to prevent dry scalp and provide slip. And I do agree with those claims. So I have incorporated the styler into my entire head, and my curls were super shiny and defined. But we're not done yet. So I'm going to take a little bit more of the curl stimulator and I'm going to scrunch that up into my hair. Now I do this because I like to define my curls a little bit more. My hair is kind of looser, so I do like to scrunch my hair up into my head. I also like to shake my hair to clump up my curls, and I had music in the background, so I was just shaking up my hair. I was shaking it up, shaking it. All right, girl, shake it, shake that hair now, shake it. So after I'm done shaking, of course, now I have a huge headache. Right now, this is kind of what my curls look like. Like I said, they're super shiny, super defined, and I really love the way that my hair felt. So now it's about time to let my hair air dry for 2 years, so I'll be back to show you guys the results. Hey guys, I'm back. So this is the next morning after I did my hair with some new products, and I'm gonna tell you guys about it. My curls are like really, they feel really good, they're really defined, and I will say that this Shea Moisture 100% coconut oil daily hydration leave-in treatment, it ain't for me. It is not for me. You guys saw in the video that when I sprayed this on my hair, I was rubbing it in, I kept spraying, I wasn't feeling nothing with this. Wasn't feeling a darn thing. And I used about, it's kind of too light to see, but I used like that much. And this right here wasn't doing nothing for me. Like, I don't recommend this. I'm glad I got it in a travel size, because I don't really use sprays really at all because they're too light. Like, I think this would be perfect if you wanted to straighten your hair. As a light leave-in, this will work, but for wash and goes, no. So the next product I used, you guys know, so the cream that I use is my Melanin hair care twist elongating style cream. Now that's a staple for me. I know that was going to provide the extra moisture that I needed because this right here wasn't working out at all. So, but this new product right here, this Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. Now this is my first time using this, and you guys know that I love like custards. I mean, sometimes I'll use like a very, very strong hold gel like Wetline or Eco Styler for like twist outs and stuff, but I like custards when I'm doing my wash and goes because I really like for my hair to flow. I like for my curls to be bouncy, and I'm not saying you can't get the same thing with those type of gels, but I just know what I like in my hair. This right here from Uncle Funky's Daughter, my first time trying out any one of their products. Baby, this right here, it's a staple for me because I loved the way that this felt in my hair. It had, I'm sorry y'all, my cats, just please disregard them because they're making a lot of noise, but if you guys hear them, just bleep them out. This right here, It's one of my staples now because I really love the one from Kinky Curly. That's my favorite one. Their coil custard, whatever it's called. That's my favorite one. This one right here, the slip that it gave me and how it just immediately like defined my curls, as you guys saw in the video. Like, oh my god, I really like this. And you get so much of it, and it's in a pump, baby. Yes. I recommend this all day, every day, 24/7, 365 days a year. I recommend this, guys. So anyway, guys, this was my wash and go with some new products, some that I hated, some that I loved, but this is what my hair looks like, and it's super curly. Oh, I just love the way that my hair just moves, y'all. Like, but we're gonna see how long it lasts, and I'm really hoping it's gonna last a long time because I don't wash my hair but once a week, baby. And if this gets old, puff it go. But anyway, guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys like the video, then please leave me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.